Okay, this video is to go along with exercise number 5 in your National 4 Numeracy revision booklets. It's all about calculating the perimeter of a shape. So remember, your perimeter is distance around the outside of the shape. So if you follow the pen as it's moving, all of these sides added together. Now, when it comes to the assessment, that perimeter question might be extended a little bit to ask you to do things like work out the cost of a border, or work out if someone has enough of something to go around the outside of a shape. But basically the first thing we need to do is work out the perimeter. So let's start off with some really simple. A rectangle. There are 4 sides there, and in order to work out the perimeter we need to establish what all 4 sides are. Like for a rectangle, opposite sides are going to be equal. So this side here is 8 centimeters, and this side here is 3 centimeters. And to work out the perimeter we simply add all those up. Now, even if you can do it in your head, or even if you're using a calculator, write down the numbers that you're adding. So I'm adding 8 and 3 and 8 and 3 again. Let's just calculate the numbers in our head. That would give us 22 centimeters. Make sure to include the unit centimeters there. Make sure you use the correct unit. The question might be asking meters or millimeters. Be very careful there. It's an easy mark to lose. Okay, we've got this next shape, which is a kind of L-shaped room or object. And again, like I said, these units now are meters rather than centimeters. Okay, so we need to find these 2 missing lengths. Okay, and just to help us think about that, well, on this side, if we were to look at the whole length all the way up or down, that's going to be the same as 6. Okay, so that big long black line is 6 meters long. This part of it is 4. So what we've got left here, it must be 2 meters in length. And I can do a similar thing along the bottom, all the way along here, 7. This part here is 3, so that would leave me with 4 meters here. Now, same as before, we're just looking to add all the lengths. Okay, really easy to miss one out, so sometimes what I want to do is pick one, and I'm just going to move clockwise from around there. So I've got 3 meters, add 2 meters, add 4 meters, add another 4, add 7, add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers to go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So I hope I haven't made any mistakes there. So 3 and 2 makes 5, 9, 13, 20, 26 meters. And again, you can, in the unit assessment, you have access to a calculator. There's no harm in using one. Okay, let's move on to a slightly more involved shape, a T shape. So we have these 2 opposite sides here. Well, those must be 8 meters as well. We have this side opposite to this side, so that one has to be 4 meters. But what we're not sure about are these 2 sides. Now they form part of this whole horizontal line, which is 12 meters long. 4 meters taken out there, leaving us with 8. 2 bits equal 8, so those must be 4 meters each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Just make sure we're adding up 8 numbers. Again, let's go clockwise from the top, so 12 plus 4 for 16, plus 4 for 20, plus 8 for 28, plus 4 for 32, plus another 8, taking us to 40, plus 4 for 44, and plus 4 to make 48. So the perimeter of that shape, 48, double check my units, they are meters. And there we've got perimeter.